Hi, hello everyone. This is Shanmugaraj. Welcome to my channel. One of the aims of this channel is to build a global knowledge sharing platform in the domains of leadership, agile, and project management. You can join me and help me with that either by subscribing to this channel or sharing my videos to your friends, right? So, having said that, let us get into today's topic. We are currently discussing some of the leadership ideas from MIT Sloan School of Management. Today's topic is four ways uh, artificial intelligence is changing finance. This is from Johnson CFO. This particular article has been published Jan 9, 2024. Why it matters? Artificial intelligence can improve data integrity, can provide stronger predictions in the supply chain, and give finance leaders more time to focus on strategy. Artificial intelligence is bringing plenty of benefits to finance, from accuracy on the balance sheet to stronger predictions in the supply chain. And for chief financial officers, artificial intelligence offers them something invaluable, more time in their day. When used to automate repetitive and manual tasks such as data entry and invoice processing, AI can open up opportunities for finance leaders to focus on financial planning, analysis, and more strategic work, right? It is said by Joseph Woke, who is an executive vice president and CFO at Johnson Johnson. In a conversation with MIT Sloan economist Simon Johnson at the 21st annual MIT Sloan CFO Summit, Volk said that AI is poised to free up time for people in the finance function to be better influencers of decisions. At Johnson and in the finance function specifically, we have a little mantra. We are business leaders with the finance expertise. The finance expertise is secondary to helping the business solve problems. Regarding the ways in which AI has swiftly gained worldwide acceptance, Johnson attributed AI's adoption to its fun element and existing infrastructure. We have already built digital rails that can distribute this product instantly everywhere. You might need to scale up a few things in terms of bandwidth, but mostly not. Mostly it's available right now. Johnson is the co-author of Power and Progress, our thousand-year struggle over technology and prosperity, which explores the history of AI as well as other historical technological transformations. I think AI presents a real opportunity to do something different, to run your finance function better, to help your companies invest and make more money and make the shareholders happy and to generate more good jobs, right? So in this video, based on the discussion between the Johnson and MIT, they have identified four use cases for artificial intelligence in finance. First use case is predict supply chain disruptions in real time. Artificial intelligence can already be used to streamline kinks in the supply chain across manufacturing, distribution, and delivery. Volks believes that in the future, AI will help more with the production. So this will be invaluable in healthcare, right? So where having a responsive supply chain, can be life saving. Where I would like to see AI evolve for us is in getting much more into the predictive side of things, right? So one example is using predictive analysis to identify and anticipate potential disruptions in the supply chain in real time. We should know when a medical device leaves the supply room from a hospital, or a drug or a biologic leaves the pharmacy and needs to be replaced. We should know that in real time. Those are some of the great benefits. The second use case is lower the cost of drug development. Walk said it's possible that AI could lower the cost of drug development by improving the chances of matching the right patient with the right clinical trial. In healthcare, researchers are already using machine learning algorithms to identify existing drugs that might have the potential to treat different diseases. If you think about what these algorithms can do in a very short period of time, relative to where we were just 4 or 5 years ago, you are going to match up and recruit for clinical trials with the patients who are likely to respond to that type of treatment, right? So, although the practice is not yet widespread, so he believes that it has the potential. Third use case is the burden of compliance. Across different locations, AI is helping Johnson and Johnson stay compliant and better manage its legacy systems by providing better integration and greater surety on the financial reports that you are signing off on. J&J does business in 170 countries worldwide, which can present some compliance challenges. You can imagine the different type of accounting that goes on. AI is helping the company clean up its data and make great progress around data integrity. The fourth and final use case is augmenting human capabilities. MIT Sloan's Johnson said that there is a lot of really interesting potential to use technology to augment human capabilities, particularly for workers who don't have a lot of formal education. He cited joint work at Stanford and MIT that showed that contact center agents with access to a conversational assistant experienced a 14% boost in productivity on an average, with the largest gains impacting new or low skilled workers. So, your customer service representatives who are less experienced become better, right? So, they like their jobs better. The people that they are helping are more satisfied, and you get less turnover in those positions, right? So, while hailing the potential benefits of AI, Volk reiterated his belief that humans will always be crucial to the healthcare industry. You can diagnose things with AI, but unless you have this somebody looking over that medical chart, something could get missed. In other words, there is still a lot of progress to be made, right? With this, we come to the conclusion of this particular video. Hope you guys got a better understanding on how to go about AI use cases to support your finance function as per Johnson and Johnson CFO. Specifically, we talked about four use cases like predicting uh, supply chain disruptions in real time. We talked about lowering the drug development cost, and we talked about how do I augment human capabilities, right? So we also talked about how AI can help in compliance. When you operate in 170 plus countries, right? I hope you guys like this kind of videos that helps you to become a better leader, right? So with that, I'm signing off. See you in next video.